Hey crafty rebels, welcome to August's exclusive tutorial. Today we're gonna kick it old school and do something I haven't done in a year or more. I don't know when, but we are gonna be making a pocket letter. So fun. I'm really excited. I took a break from pocket letters a long time ago. I just kind of got over them, you know, they're just everywhere, but I haven't done one in so long and I think it would look really cute with the all heart collection, so I'm gonna be playing with that. I'm gonna start off by looking through my scraps instead of cutting into full page sheets just yet, because I'm gonna see what I have to work with in here. Just dump it all out. This I know I'm gonna use. I'm really excited. I haven't done one in so long and I'm really excited to see how it's gonna turn out. And I'm going old school, like I'm actually doing the full baseball pocket, not, you know, Project Life card or anything like that. I'm actually doing it the original old school way. So I use my ATC die to cut some of the papers, but I'm just gonna do the rest by hand because I don't feel like pulling out my larger die cutting machine, and my sidekick is just a little too small to fit. It's like really a tight fit, so I don't want to break my machine or anything, so I'm just gonna cut them by hand. I'm going to leave these two here as shaker pockets. So I've decided on this placement for the cards. Now I'm going to go through my stash and my washi tapes and stuff and try to decorate this a little bit more, and I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video. I hope you can share your projects. If you make a pocket letter, please share it on the Facebook group, the Crafty Rebels Gang, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, let's get started. stop here. I really like how it looks. I don't want to go overboard, and I don't want to, you know, make it too busy. I might change up this paper clip and use a silver one instead, because there isn't any gold in this whole page, so I might actually do that after I turn off the camera. I'm gonna switch the paper clip. I don't have anyone in mind in specific who's gonna get this pocket letter, so I'm not gonna fill up the back just yet. Once I have a pen pal in mind, I will add in some goodies, probably coordinating goodies from the All Heart collection as well. I'll tuck in some extra stickers and stuff, and the leftover sequins. And I really love this mix. It's really pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like my pocket letter. I had a lot of fun putting this together. It went together pretty quickly, only a couple hours, and usually this would take me a really long time, but I think it's really helpful when you have a full collection to work with, because everything coordinates with itself already. Takes out the guesswork, because you know that things are gonna make sense, things are gonna go well together. So I really like that, and I do love including goodies for them in the front too. So to further decorate this pocket, I just added a sticker and some washi. I made sure to use the same washi throughout in different spots so that it all ties in together. And I really like how I did this here, 2-layered washi. The first time I do something like this, and I really like how this turned out. Also, the recipient can peel off this washi and use it if she'd like, because it's basically like a washi sample. They can use up the washi that's on this little thing here. So yeah, I really love the sequin mix. It's so pretty, and I love the little stamped girl I did here. It's really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I would really appreciate it if you would let me know what you'd like to see from me as exclusive content in the next upcoming months on Patreon. If you want more Happy Mail tutorials like this, let me know. And if you want another pocket letter tutorial, let me know. I'm here to please. I'm here for you guys. So whatever you'd like me to make, just let me know and I'll add it to the list. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. I think it's really cute. I love the colors, and I'm still so in love with this collection. So if you want to shop the collection, don't forget to check out the links below. I am affiliated with scrapbook.com, so by shopping my links, I do get a little percentage, which helps me with Patreon and my shop and my everything. Don't forget to leave comments below letting me know what you would like to see from me. All right, bye Rebels. Love you all so much. See you later.